Hello, grade 11. Let's continue our revision. Question number 16. Use the distance formula to find the equation of a parabola with focus f4 and 0 and directrix x equal -3. Okay. We know that the distance from any point on the parabola to the focus equals the distance from the same point to the directrix. Okay. By definition, any point P, X and Y on a parabola is equidistant from the focus and the directrix x equal -3. So BF equal BD. BF refers to the distance between parabola and this point and focus. BD, the distance between this point and directrix. Okay, by using distance formula, okay, BF, the distance between P and F, x minus 4 all square plus y minus 0 all square, equal the distance between this point and directrix. Okay, know that x minus the directrix, take any point on this directrix, say -3 and y. So x minus -3 all square plus y minus y all square. So by simplification, we can get 14x equal y square plus 7. So x equal 1/14 y square plus 1/2. So the equation will be number D. The solution will number D. Okay. Question number 17. Number 17. Write the equation in standard form for the parabola with vertex 0 and 0 and the directrix y equal -14. Okay, step number 1, because the directrix is horizontal line, okay, because y equal -14, that means the directrix is horizontal line. The equation is in the form of x square equal 4by or y equal 1/4b x square. The vertex is above the directrix, so the graph will open upward. Okay. Step number 2, because the directrix is y equal -14, so b equal 14 and 4b equal 4 times 14 equal 56. The equation, by substituting in the equation of the parabola, y equal 1/56x square. The solution will be number A. Okay. Number 18, find the vertex value of B, axis of symmetry, focus, and directrix of parabola. Y minus 2 equal -1/8 x plus 2 all square. Okay, then graph the parabola. First step number 1, the vertex is H and K from the equation from the equation of the parabola. Okay, the vertex is -2 and 2. Okay, -2 and 2. Step 2, 1/4b equal -1/8. So 4b, by making cross multiplication, 4b equal -8, b equal -2. The graph has a vertical axis of symmetry open down and x equal -2. Okay, and x from the vertex, x equal b equal -2, vertical axis of symmetry open down and x equal -2. The focus x, which x equal -2, which pass through the vertex. Okay, from the vertex x equal -2. The focus is okay equal -2 h and k plus b, -2 and 2 plus -2, or -2 and 0. Okay, distance from vertex and focus equal distance from vertex and directrix. Okay, the directrix is horizontal line y equal k minus b. Okay, substitute, we get y equal, okay, y equal 2 minus -2, or y equal 4. Use the information to sketch the graph as shown in figure. Okay, we draw focus, vertex -2, 2, focus -2 and 0, directrix y equal 4, and parabola open down. Okay, so the true answer is number A. The true answer is number A. Vertex -2 and 2, vertex -2 and 2, focus -2 and 0, b equal -2, axis of symmetry x equal -2, and directrix y equal 4. Okay, b not true. Okay, parabola C not true, because the parabola open up. Okay, axis of symmetry x equal 4, not true. Okay. Number 19, a reflector is designed so that its cross section is a parabola. The equation for a cross section of the parabola is x equal 1/36y squared. How far is the parabola focus from its vertex? Okay, the equation for the cross section is in the form x equal 1/4b y squared. So 4b equal 36 and b equal 9. The focus should be 9 units from the vertex of the cross section. Okay, and vertex at 0 and 0, 0, 0 at origin. Okay, so the answer will number B. Okay, number 20, identify the conic section. The equation x minus 2 all square over 3 square plus y minus 4 all square over 7 square equal 1. This equation is the general form for the ellipse. Okay, so the answer number B. Number 21, identify the conic section that the equation 4x squared minus 5xy minus 5y squared minus 3x plus 2y plus 9 equal 0. Okay, the general form for the conic section is ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equal 0. From our equation, a equal 4, b equal -5, and c equal -5. Using the formula p square, substitute in b square minus 4ac. Okay, b square minus 4ac equal 105. Because b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the equation represents hyperbola. Okay. Number B, the equation will number B, hyperbola. Okay. Number 22, find the standard form of the equation is 16x squared plus 9y squared plus 64x minus 18y minus 71 equal 0 by completing the square, then identify the graph, the conic section. Okay. Rearrange. First, we will rearrange the terms to prepare for completing the square in x and y. X squared, put x's together. 16x squared plus 64x plus 9y squared minus 18y equal 71. Factor 16 from the x terms and 9 from the y terms, then complete both square. 16 open bracket x squared plus 4x plus 4, okay, plus 9 plus 9. First we add the term 4 to make a complete square, completing the square, make completing square, okay, and add 1 to complete, make completing the square, okay. Y squared minus 2y plus 1. We add 4 times 16 and 9, okay, so we put the same value on the other side, equal 71 plus 16 times 4 plus 9. After simplification, 16x plus 2 all square plus 9y minus 1 all square equal 144. Divided both sides by 144, we get the equation of ellipse x plus 2 all square over 9 plus y minus 1 all square over 16 equal 1. This an ellipse with center 2 negative 1, okay, okay, sorry, this ellipse with center negative 2 and 1, not 2 and negative 1, not true, okay, with a vertical measure axis because we put y above a square, vertical measure axis of length 8 because a equal 4, so measure axis equal to a, 2 times 4 equal 8, and minor axis equal 9. Okay, so okay, this ellipse, the measure parallel to x-axis, horizontal. Here, ellipse, okay, its measure axis parallel to y-axis or vertical. Okay, so the answer number A. The answer is number A. Number 23, an airplane makes a dive that can be modeled by the equation negative 9x squared plus 25y squared minus 54x plus 50y minus 281 equals 0. Measured in hundreds of feet with the ground represented by the x-axis. How close to the ground does the airplane pass? Okay, first we rearrange the square in x and y to complete the square. Okay, negative 9x squared minus 54x plus, okay, plus a constant, we will put it later, plus 25y squared plus 50y plus another constant equal 281 plus 2 other constant. The constant we put in this side, we must put the same in the other side. Okay. Take negative 9 as a factor from the x terms and 25, okay, from the y terms. Okay. Open bracket x squared plus 6x plus a constant plus 25y squared plus 2y plus another constant equal 281 plus 2 constant. Okay, to get this constant, we take the coefficient of x, half the coefficient of x squared. Okay, 6 over 2 all square, and to get this constant, make half the coefficient of y square, 2 over 2 all square. Okay, as we put this constant in this side, we put the same constant in the other side. Okay, negative 9, 6 over 2 all square, okay, and 25, 2 over 2 all square. Finally, after simplification, we can get 25y plus 1 all square, okay, y square plus 1 all square, complete both squares, minus 9x plus 3, 6 over 2 equals 3, 3 all square, and 2 over 2 equal 1, y plus 1 all square. Here, 6 over 2 all equals 3, 9, x plus 3 all square equal, after simplification, equal 225. Okay, by divided both sides by 225, we get y plus 1 all square over 9 minus x plus 3 all square over 25 equal 1. We can draw the hyperbola as shown in figure, because the conic is of the form y minus k all square over a square minus x minus h all square over b square equal 1. It's a hyperbola with vertical transverse axis. The vertices are negative 3 and 2, negative 3 and 2 from and negative 3, negative 1. Okay, the airplane will be on the upper branch of the hyperbola because the distance above ground is always positive. The relevant vertex is negative 3, 2 with y coordinate 2. The minimum height of the airplane is 200 feet. So the answer will number A. Number 24, which of the following is the equation for the graph shown? Okay, from the graph, okay, the figure is an ellipse. The formula for ellipse is x minus h all square over a square plus y minus k all square over b square equal 1, where h and k is the center and A and B are each half of the minor and major axis length. As seen in the graph, the center is at 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay, the minor axis length is 6. The minor axis is 6. Distance from here to here equals 6. The major axis length, the distance from here to here equals 12, as shown in figure. So the equation of ellipse is x minus 2 all square over 3 square plus y minus 5 all square over 6 square equal 1. Okay. Equation of the ellipse. For x minus 2 all square plus y minus 5 all square equals 36. Okay, by multiplying the equation of ellipse by 36, we get this equation. Okay, then we put x minus 2 all square equal x square minus 4x plus 4, and y minus 5 all square equal y square minus 10y plus 25 equal 36. Okay, after simplification we can get 4x square minus 16x plus equal negative y square plus 10y minus 5. So the equation will be number A. The equation will be number 25. Solve negative 8x plus 4y equal 16 and y plus 3 equal x plus 2 all square by graphing. First, we put two equations in the form of y equal. Okay, first one, y equal 8 2x plus 4. Okay, second equation equal y equal x plus 2 all square minus 3. Then graph the two equations as shown in figure. Okay, the point of intersection is the solution. First point is 1 and 6, second point is negative 3 and negative 2. So the solution number A. The solution is number A. Number 26, solve x squared plus y squared equal 25 and y plus 5 equal 1 over 2 x squared by using the substitution method. Okay. Step number 1, simplest to solve for x squared. From the second equation, we get x squared equal 2y plus 10. Okay, use substitution in the first equation. Substitute x squared by 2y plus 10 in the first equation. 2y plus 10 plus y squared equal 25. Okay, after simplifying, we get y squared plus 2y minus 15 equals 0. Factor y minus 3, y plus 5 equals 0. So y equals 3 and y equal negative 5. Step number 3, substitute 3 and negative 5 into x squared equal 2y plus 10 to find values of x. x square equal 2 times 3. We take first value of y plus 10 equals 16, so x equal positive or negative 4. Solution 4, 3, and negative 4, 3 are solution. Okay, then substitute by negative 5, y equal negative 5 to get the value of x. X square equal 2 times negative 5 plus 10 equals 0. So the third solution is 0 and negative 5. Okay. So the solution set is 4 and 3, 4 and 3, negative 3, negative 4, 3, 0 and negative 5. The solution is number D. Number 27, solve 4x squared plus 9y squared equal 36 and 4x squared minus 25y squared equal 100 by using elimination. Okay. Step 1, eliminate x. How to eliminate x? Take first equation minus second equation. We removed 4x with negative 4x squared. So after simplification, y squared equal negative 32 over 17. Since the square of a real number cannot be negative, the system has no solution. The system has no solution. Okay, sorry. The system has no solution. So the answer number B. Number 28, the typical planetary orbit can be modeled by an ellipse with the star at one focus. Suppose that two planets revolve around the same star. Also, suppose that the orbit of one planet can be modeled by the equation x squared minus 16x squared minus 96x plus 20y squared equal 256. And the orbit of the other planet can be modeled by the equation 25x squared minus 600x plus 169 y squared equal 625, where x and y are measured in tens of millions of miles, and the star is at the origin. Is there any danger of collision? Okay. Let's solve the system of equation. The graph of both equation are ellipse. There may be as many as 4 points of intersection. Okay. First equation, y squared equal, second equation, from first equation, y squared equal 1 over 25, 256 from the first orbit. Okay, 256 minus 16x squared plus 96x. Okay, substitute in the second equation. Okay, 25x squared minus 600x plus 169 times 1 over 25, 256 minus x is 16x squared plus 96x equal 625. After simplifying and solve and get the value of x. Okay, fact, use the quadratic formula to get the value of x. Okay, we have two value, x equal -3.63 and x equal 3.95. Okay, then we substitute in this equation to get the value of y. Y square equal -12.13. There are no real value. Okay, y square equal 15.4224 or y equal positive or negative 3.93. The real solution to the system are 3.95 and 3.93 and 3.95 negative 3.93. Because the orbits intersect, the planets are in danger of colliding if they arrive at either intersection at the same time. Okay, so the answer will be number C. Yes, there is danger and intersect at 2 points. Okay. Number 29, two balls are rolling on a tabletop. The path of one pole can be modeled by the equation x squared plus 4y squared equals 7. The path of the other pole can be modeled by the equation 2y squared minus x equals 4. Find the coordinate of the poles where the path intersect. Okay. To get the coordinate of a point where the paths intersect, we must solve the system of equations together. Okay. Okay. By using elimination method, multiply second equation by 2. Okay, we get 2x minus 4y squared equal negative 8. Okay, multiply by negative 2. Okay, first equation x squared plus 4y squared equals 7. Add two equation, we can get x squared plus 2x equal negative 1. And by solving this equation, we get x equal negative 1. Step 2, solve for y. Solve for y. 2y squared equal minus negative 1 equal 4. Substitute in any equation. Okay, 2y squared equals 3, so y equal positive or negative root 6 over 2. Okay, so the solution set is number D, negative 1 root 6 over 2 and negative 1 negative root 6 over 2. The solution is number D. Question number 30. Match each vocab term with its definition. A. Hyperbola, conic section, tangent, ellipse, nonlinear system of equation, directrix, focus of a parabola, circle. Number 1, the set of points in a plane that are a fixed distance from a given point is a circle. So number 1 matched with H. the circle. A fixed point if used with a directrix to define a parabola. It is a focus. It is a focus. Focus number G. Okay. Focus number G. Number 3. Number 3. A line in the same plane as the circle that intersects the circle at exactly one point. It's a tangent. It's a tangent. Tangent number C. Okay. 4. A fixed line used to define a parabola. Fixed line used to define a parabola. It is a directrix. It is a directrix F. Okay. A system in which at least one of the equation is not linear. Okay. A system in which at least one of the equation is non-linear. It's a non-linear system of equation, number E. A plane figure formed by the intersection of a double right cone and a plane, the conic section, B. It's a conic section. Okay, thank you, grade 12. Sorry, thank you, grade